Attention affiliate marketers. If you're not building an email list, then you're leaving money on the table. Stick around and I'll teach you how to create a profitable email list. I'm Justina and welcome to my TED Talk. I'm just kidding. I'm just here to teach you how to create a profitable email list. As we know, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income. You earn this passive income by sharing, promoting, recommending products and services from companies that earn you a commission. But today, we're talking about solid email list building. Woo! Step number 1, choose the right email service provider. There are many options out there. I would obviously recommend GetResponse because, we're cool and we're creating affiliate marketing content just for you. But make sure that your email service provider has experience with working with affiliate marketers. This is key. Other key features to look out for is automated workflows and list segmentation. GetResponse has those. These features help you manage and grow your email list, which is key for affiliate marketing. And not only. Step number 2 is to create a lead magnet. What is a lead magnet? Let me tell you. I call this a cookie or carrot. It could be a free ebook, a webinar, a white paper, anything to grab your customer's attention. So you give this cookie or carrot to your customers, and that's when they give you their email address. So you're exchanging something that they want with something that you want. Step number 3, create a landing page. So you are creating a landing page for your lead magnet, which we just talked about. A landing page is a standalone page on your website that converts website visitors into email subscribers. Make sure your landing page is optimized for your end user and make sure that there's a clear call to action so they know exactly what they're doing. They put in their email and they get the ebook. They put in their email, they get an invitation to your webinar. Step number 4 is to drive traffic to your landing page. So you can see we're sort of building up. Lead magnet, landing page, and now you're driving traffic to this landing page. Now, there are many ways to do this. There's paid advertising, social media advertising, content marketing, lots of different ways to get people to go onto your landing page. Whatever method you choose, make sure that you're targeting the right audience. If you're looking for business professionals, you're more likely to go into LinkedIn, for example. If you're looking for a bit of a younger crowd, then TikTok might be what you'd be interested in. The key thing is to make sure that your message is clear and compelling and that you're targeting the right audience. And last but not least, step number 5, make sure you follow up with your subscribers. Now, this is something that we call in the biz nurturing. Make sure you nurture your email subscribers. Once someone has given you their email, you nurture that relationship. You send them follow-up emails, send them lots of tidbits or fun facts, or just give them something for the fact that they're on your email list. How do you do this? Click here to find out more. By sending them regular emails, you're cultivating this relationship, you're nurturing it, and you can also send them affiliate products and services within those emails. But make sure that you add value by providing tips and tricks and additional information. Don't just make it about sales. I hope this video helps you out in terms of affiliate marketing, in terms of email list building. If so, feel free to hit that like button. Also, if you have any tips for email list building, please feel free to comment below. I'm sure you'll help someone else out. For more videos about email marketing and affiliate marketing, feel free to hit that subscribe button. And as always, I hope you have a good day and happy marketing. Have a great day and happy marketing. Bye!